welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be attempting to apply eyeshadow using this color matte palette from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, let's see how that goes. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to apply that. I'm not gonna use any brush. I'm gonna use that little thing that came with the palette. That's the color scheme that I'm gonna be using. I want it to be Thanksgiving inspired with Thanksgiving around the corner. I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer because with a good eyeshadow primer you could make any eyeshadow pop. So yeah, let's begin. So now I'm just putting some primer on my hand to blend it out on my lid. I'm just taking my time and apply a good coat of primer, especially since I'm not going to be using like a well pigmented, well, I've never used it before, so let me not say that, but I'm not going to be using like a Urban Decay or you know those expensive eyeshadow palettes, so I'm going to be applying a good amount of eyeshadow primer. Yes, I'm just going to apply that and let it dry just a little bit. And then I'm gonna start applying the shadow. Okay, so I'm done applying the eyeshadow primer, and now it's time to apply the shadow. That's the color I'm gonna use on the lid with one side of the whatever. I don't know what that thing is called, but it came with the palette, and that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna try not to use any brush. Looking good so far. I tell you, a good eyeshadow primer can make any shadow pop. I should try using it without primer and see what the results would be. Yeah, that will be a next video. But for now, it looks really nice. I was shocked. Like, look at that. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it. I'm just doing the other eye. Wow. I was blown away. I was surprised, guys. You could see by my expression, like you know, I'm taking the opposite side of the part that I use because it's like 4 sides. And I'm gonna apply like the lighter orange just to the front part, just to brighten up right there a little. It's coming out really nice. I'm loving it. Like, you don't need a lot of money to go buy those expensive palettes. Like, look at that. Wow. Interesting. Look at that, man. Now I'm gonna be doing the crease. As like the dark, those are the two darkest colors, so those are what I'm gonna be using to create the dimension in my crease. And I just take the opposite side that I haven't used it, and I'm gonna try my best to blend. We're using this thing, it's gonna be so hard. Actually, it was hard. So I'm using the other color beside it now. It's like, I think it's darker than the blue. It's like a purple blue, and I'm just going over to create more depth. This was hard. I love to use brushes and blend my eyeshadow, and just using that thing alone was a challenge. Now I have one side left that hasn't been touched, and that's what I'm gonna use to attempt to blend. Like, yeah, look at that. I mean, it's kind of getting the job done, but it was very hard. Yeah, so it wasn't getting the job done like I wanted it to, so I just went in with my fingers. I don't know if that's cheating. Well, no, because I didn't have to use a separate product or a brush or anything like that. So yeah, I'm just using my fingers and just blending it out. There was a time before I knew anything about makeup that I used to use my fingers to apply makeup. So yeah, nothing's wrong with using your fingers. You just have to know how to blend. Just blending away. Yeah, I like how it looks. Oh my god, look at that pimple. Ooh. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like so far. It looks really nice. Yeah, really good. You see my rugrats in the background? Oh my god. Like, whenever they see a camera, they go crazy. I'm just gonna put some eyeliner. This is not a Dollar Tree eyeliner, but it's just the eyeshadow that I'm trying out from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna use some of my own eyeliner and mascara just to finish up the look. Yeah, so now that I'm done applying the eyeliner, I'm just taking that same dark purple from the palette and I'm gonna blend out the eyeliner. The eyeliner comes with a smudge end, so that's what I'm using to do this. I could have used the little thing that came with the palette, but I'm just gonna use I'm just using the one that came with my eyeliner. I'm loving the look so far. It's really nice. I'm gonna be applying some mascara. Again, just the mascara that I had on hand. So now that I'm done with the mascara, I'm just gonna go in and finish the look. I'm gonna first clean up around my eyes and clean up the eyeshadow, any fall away, and then I'm gonna conceal my eye, do my face, and yeah, I'm not gonna really go into detail with that. I'm just gonna speed through that. Just applying the finishing touches, and that's it. Yeah, I'm loving this look I hear from the brush. I'm loving the look. Look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, this eyeshadow is popping. But like I said, with a good primer, any eyeshadow could pop. So I'm gonna try using it one of these days without the eyeshadow primer and see if I will get the same results. So thank you so much for watching. That's the finished look. Subscribe to my channel if you like what you're seeing, if you haven't already done so, and share this video with anyone that you think might like it, and give me a thumbs up. Bye.